Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how the staff can be able to upload customer profile picture and other documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card and voter ID details in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the HR management, go to the access control list. So here I have created some staff and I have given some access to that particular staff. So I have given the edit customer and upload document. This access is important for edit customer and upload document. So just sign out from here and log in as a staff ID. Just log in as a staff ID, and when the staff go to the field collection and when he receive some documents from the customer, then he can upload the documents in their profile. So this open 3 customers is there which is assigned to that particular staff. Now let's take this customer Ramji and just click on this star, the edit customer. So here is the customer modify form. So in UID option, the passport details, voter ID details, Aadhaar card details, that staff can fill. So let's take this ration card number and just save this. So this type we can add these numbers also, passport number, voter ID. Then just click on the picture. So here we need to select the file. So just click on the select option and let's take this picture. Suppose this is customer's profile picture and just save this. So this has been saved successfully. After that, just search this customer from the search bar and here you can see the picture has been uploaded. So this type the staff can upload the customer profile picture from their staff login, and the staff can upload documents as well. This is the upload document. Just click on this and this is a select document, bank account and auto debit. For example, let's take bank account. So bank number, for example, customer name, mobile number and IFSC code. So let's take this for example and just add without file. So next you can browse file here. If any documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, just for example, just you can select this and modify. Open, just upload, just click on the upload. So here you can upload this document, and if you uploaded anything wrong or document, then you can remove this from here, remove all. So this type we can upload documents, the bank details and Aadhaar card, PAN card and the profile picture also. So this is very useful feature in Jainam software. So thank you friends watching for this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.